Hey, my stomach's here, Sega Girl here, and I'm working out nice and hard. I'm trying to get into shape. Since my eye surgery, I feel like my legs need to be toned up. So that is my number one thing that I want to tone up this year. So I'm on the bike. And what do you want to work out this year on yourself? Anyways, I am going to do a little unboxing because why not? I'm going to try and multitask, which I'm not the best at, but I will attempt to do it right now. So I've had this for a while. Like I said, I have a few envelopes and I haven't opened them. They're just sitting around over there, waiting to be unleashed into my world. So have you seen, it's open, have you seen this game? Baruch for the Wii? Oh, it matches my cherry bikini I'm wearing. So this is Baruch. I've wanted this game for a while. I almost bought this last year and then I didn't. I got other games. So this is a pretty strange game. Here is the back. Death is not the end. It's almost like a dungeon crawler. You're playing as a third person. It is by Atlas. It first came out in 1998 for the Sega Saturn. Sega Saturn. And I don't have it. So now I have to do some research on this Baruch for the Sega Saturn and probably get my hands on a Japanese version if I can. Probably is going to cost like $1,000 for that game at the moment. Oh, I'm joking. Anyways, I got my copy here. If I come across Sega Saturn one and I can pick it up, then I will, and we will compare it. After the Sega Saturn in 1998, Baruch was ported to the PlayStation, and after that the Wii, and here we are. Maybe we'll get a Switch version of Baruch, or maybe we'll get a PS4 version or Xbox One. We don't know. So stay tuned for that because there might be one in the making. It is an action game, roguelike, Japanese role-playing survival horror game. That is a lot in this game. Can I survive? How far can Sega Girl get in Baruch? Stay tuned and find out. Guess what? It is currently on the Switch, on the PS2, on the Wii, as you see, the Sega Saturn, and the PlayStation. And it is complete mine. Super sweet sugar right here. And it's on the Switch. So if you have the Switch, you could get this on your Switch. Or just go and settle for the Wii version. It is much cheaper. Here is the manual. Let's take a look at it. Take a look with your Sega Girl. I want to destroy, guys. One sec. So here are the characters. This is the Archangel, Alice, Eliza, Littles, the protagonist, Dr. Angelicus. Nice. I like the look of these cartoons. I like the look of this design of game. What do you call them? Cartoons, anime. Here we got the Fist and Skype. And then we got Neophyte and Sentry Angel, and then the Barokumonger and the Collector. Is that me? I'm a collector. Subscribe and like and share and stay tuned for a video of Baruch. We will be playing this together. I am mighty sweaty, so I'm off. And the kids, of course, they are fighting, so toodaloo. At the moment, there is a physical copy of Baruch for the Nintendo Switch. Only in Japan, it was released in November 2020. At the moment, there is no North American English version for the Nintendo Switch. Hopefully, a publisher takes it on.
Oh my god.
Exciting, but probably very hard. Can Sega Girl beat this game? You'll have to find out.
I wish I was recording, so I did put on easy. It's a really cool, weirdo game.